Radio Nigeria, I am Alfred Ajayi.
The federal government has promised to strengthen traditional medicine through favorable policies and scientific research and innovation for sustainable results. The Minister of State for Health and Social Welfare, Tunji Alausa, stated this in Abuja at the commemoration of this year's Traditional Medicine Day. Dr. Alausa, who underscored the importance of systematic collecting and analyzing safety data related to traditional medicine to safeguard the public, called on all traditional medicine practitioners to align their products and practices with the established standards regulatory bodies for quality, safety, and efficacy.
Achieve the following in the aspect of safety of traditional medicine: development of traditional medicine policy, development of Nigerian urban pharmacopoeia. We are at the final stages of development of the code of ethics and practice for traditional medicine practitioners in our country. Number 4, guidelines and protocol for evaluation and validation of urban medicinal products to serve as a guide to our traditional practitioners.
A keynote speaker at the event and the Director General, Nigerian Natural Medicine Development Agency, Professor Martins Emeje, encouraged patients to adopt the use of traditional medicines instead of orthodox medicine for effective service delivery.
What we call self-reliance in medicine. Without traditional medicine, we are not ready yet. We are just joking. We must make traditional medicine the core of our service delivery. Why? The reason is very simple. The truth is that over 160 million Nigerians, what they have access to is traditional medicine. Some of them, they don't even have access to any other thing. Once they cannot get any healing from traditional medicine, they die. And those that get healing, they get healing. And for your information, it's not only those who go to traditional homes that die. Many people go to the most sophisticated hospitals in the world, they still die. Everybody must die. So let nobody also think that it's traditional medicine that is killing people.
Also, a deputy director of the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, pharmacist Ezaka Ifoma, emphasized the need for traditional medicine practitioners to register their products to assist the agency in controlling the production of quality traditional medicines in the country.